In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the HSL color panel in Lightroom. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your editing skills, understanding this panel can greatly enhance your photo editing process and results. To begin, go ahead and open up Lightroom on your computer. Once you're in, the first step is to import the photo you'd like to work on. Take a moment to consider which image will benefit from some color adjustments. With your photo chosen, navigate up to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a File option there. Click on it and then select Import from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to import your image directly into Lightroom, setting the stage for some creative edits. After your image has been successfully imported, you'll notice several options at the top right of the Lightroom interface. Keep your eyes peeled for the Develop option sitting in that lineup. Go ahead and click on Develop. This will open the editing workspace where you can access various adjustments tools, including our focus for today, which is the HSL color panel. Now, glance over to the right-hand side of your screen. You will find the Color Mixer section. Click on this to open the HSL color panel. This tool is a powerhouse for tweaking the hue, saturation, and luminance of your image, granting you precise control over each individual color range. In the Color Mixer HSL color panel, you'll see 3 tabs labeled Hue, Saturation, and Luminance. Let's break these down quickly for clarity. The Hue option lets you adjust the specific shade of each color. So if you want to change the tone of the skies from blue to teal or the foliage from green to lime, this is where you'll do it. Saturation controls the intensity of each color in your photo, letting you make the colors pop or tone them down for a more muted look. Finally, luminance addresses the brightness of those colors. Increasing luminance can make a color lighter, while decreasing it will achieve the opposite. If you'd like to tackle all 3 aspects together, hue, saturation, and luminance, simply select the All option within the panel. This will display all 3 controls simultaneously, allowing for a streamlined workflow. One of the most exciting things about this panel is its capability to make adjustments across a wide spectrum of colors. You can play around with reds, oranges, yellows, greens, aquas, blues, purples, and magentas. Each of these provides an opportunity to fine-tune the visual impact of your photo. Take some time to experiment under each category until you find the perfect fit for your image. As you proceed, ensure that the adjustments you make truly enhance the overall feel and composition of the photo. The goal is to achieve balance and aesthetic harmony, allowing your image to tell its intended story. With practice, you'll develop a keener eye for knowing which adjustments will bring out the best in your photos. And there you have it. Mastering the HSL color panel in Lightroom is a valuable skill that can transform your images from ordinary to extraordinary. I hope this guide helps you on your editing journey.